And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $3.1370. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a continuous downfall we have seen. Okay, just now what we have seen, it has moved out of a zone of $3.173. Okay, this is the zone. It is from 4 weeks we have not seen since this level has come. Now it has come down, so chances are very high it can touch its next support at a level of $3.0342. Okay, and if that level goes further low, then a further downfall we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are very low and a probability is higher that it can go further down and it can touch a level of around 3.0342. As soon as touches this level, a further upside we can see, a bounce back can come from that particular level. Okay, but before that I have to explain you a few things, that this gap is still pending, it has not touched. Okay, and it has already made a high from 3.67. so if the price again move out of this particular zone, a further upside we can see, because this is the high we have not seen since January of 2023. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend also, there is a continuous upside we have seen in after 2020. Okay, and this is the level. Okay, why? Because you have to understand, looking at this particular chart, what you have to understand, that whenever it is going higher, okay, a profit booking is coming and then a downfall is coming. Okay, that is where if there's a war situation has come at this particular level, and now at this particular level also the war situation is there. That is where if you look at this particular trend, a continuous downfall we have seen, and a lot of things has happened at this particular zone, because the dollar was getting strengthened. Okay, the war situation was there, and these some of the factors, as well as interest rate getting increased. Now before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, the mail ID I have given in the description also, and one more mail ID, that is stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and a telegram link also is given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, let's see if that didn't sustain, because overall trend, because it has given a breakout downside, so chances can be high if the level didn't sustain, it can move further down towards $3.0342. Okay, and if it goes further low, then we can see it will touch a level of around $3.0172. If the price started moving below that particular zone, a probability of going below a level of $3 we can see, and then it can touch a level of $2.9. Okay, and if that level goes further down, then a probability of touching a level of around $2.8047 is there. Okay, once the price started moving below a level of $2.8047, a further downfall we can see towards $2.7734. Okay, and because if it comes in a zone below a level of $3, it will move in a zone of 2 and 3, and a probability is higher that it can go further down, and yes, we can see a level of 2.6817 to a level of $2.5781. Okay, and if it started moving below that level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $2.43, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 2.3171. Okay, so if it moves below that level, a further downfall we can see, and then a probability is the higher that we can see it can go towards 2.3. So once started moving below 2.3, then you can see that a probability of breaking a level of around 2.15 we can see, and then a probability that there is a higher chances that it can break this particular zone of 2.079 and can go move further low. Otherwise, a probability is higher that it can go further high. But as I have already explained you, that market is always uncertain. Okay, and the market is uncertain, so you have to remember that if it started going upside, that means if from a swing started going upside, we can see it can go further higher and can go towards a level of $3.3009. Okay, and if that level goes further upside, then we can see it will cross a level of around $3.457. This $3.457 is already being weak, so chances are high if it touches this level, it can cross this particular level and it can touch a level of $3.657. Okay, and this level is also being weak, so chances will be higher it will go further upside and can go towards $3.9. Okay, it can go towards a level of around 3.95, and if started going above that level, we can see this gap can be filled at a level of 4.1 to a level of 4.35. Okay, and once started going over that level, a further upside we can see, and it can go towards a level of around $4.68, and from there a further high we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.